Alright, we're going to head over to the Google Store and we're going to download the Gunstreamer app. Check it out for the first time. So we head over to the store, type in Gunstreamer. There it is. And we'll take a look at it. It's got a 4.6 rating. Got some reviews. Go ahead and install it. It's like good reviews, people that are fans of the place. And it's installing. Alright, so now we will go ahead and click open. And there it goes. And we've got some of the videos, some of the trending and top videos there. Looking good. And I'm guessing you can click on one of these to watch it. Got comments right there. And is it playing? There it goes. Now that was a long one. That was one of his live shows. Go back up to the top here. Yeah, looks like a pretty nice app. So we'll take a closer look at this in future videos. But that's how you can find, download, and install it. I guess I paused it there for a moment while it was downloading, or while it was installing. But just a couple of minutes to download and install the Gunstreamer app over on the Android store. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Join us over in Gunstreamer.